on, guys? Well, I got a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe here. Today I'm going to replace the cabin filter. So the cabin filter is going to be located behind the glove box. The glove box door. To lower it, the first thing we're going to need to do is disconnect this damper that we have right here. Now, it's kind of hard to get to, really, honestly. So you can use your fingers and pry it off like that, or you get a little screwdriver and just pull it off. Okay. This is the damper. When it does, it slows down the glove box when you open it, so it doesn't just go blah, okay? Now, on the corners here, there's going to be stoppers that we're going to remove. If we turn it clockwise, we can just pull them right out. Or counterclockwise, I'm sorry. Like this, and come right out. And the glove box door will come down far enough for us to get to this door here. Now, this door here is where the cabin filter is. If we squeeze these clips on the sides here, pull towards us, we can take the door off, okay? The other side is a slot, okay? It's not a clip or anything like that. So when we go to put this back in, we're gonna push that in like that, push the door back on, okay? This filter here. See, it's looking kind of gross. All right. So if we note that it says airflow up, and when we look at our new cabin filter, it's got an airflow direction on this, and we want it to be going up. Okay, so we're going to flip this over. Let's stick the new one in here. Slide it in here, like that. Make sure it's the right way. Now, if you need a filter, I'm going to leave a part number and a link that takes you to Amazon down in the description box where you can get a filter if you need one for your Hyundai Santa Fe. But we're just going to get the door, put it back on there. I'm going to close the glove box enough to put the damper back on. That's going to help me hold the glove box up while I put these stoppers back in, okay? So they'll only go in one way. So we just kind of turn them around. We figure out they drop in, okay? And once you get it in there, you're gonna turn it clockwise so it stops. All right, and then you're good. Just do both of them like that, and you're done with your cabin filter replacement. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I appreciate it if you would hit the like button, and you can leave me a comment. And struggling to get this in, there we go. And that's it. So again, really appreciate you checking out the video. Hope to see you again in another video.